say slip over that train. Go on the last train.
Hi. Stop what?
What if you would just take a picture of me?
Okay, go stand by your train table. I'll take a picture of you.
No. I don't want to.